This video chart presentation of GreenLight Resources brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. GreenLight trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker GR. See, these candles are holding a pretty solid support here at 12 cents. Been on a slide recently. This is a chart to maybe keep an eye on because it looks like it's holding that support. So we're going to look for some potential upward movement again. MACD looks like it's forming a wedge. See right through there. So we'll look for that bounce off of this point again. And ultimately what you want to see is this 12 and 26 break back up through zero. It'll break that top trend line. And of course that move through zero in and amongst itself is a very bullish indication for the chart. Similar look to the PPO. ADX is giving hints that this downtrend it's been in is losing steam. Not a lot of strength to it at this point. MFI is holding right around 50 for the last several weeks. Breaking down, but of course that comes from this long wick that happened here a couple days ago. Accumulation distribution is in a nice position. Solid upward trend. Shaking money flow. Holding in the green, showing buying pressures outweighing selling pressure. Stock trades on pretty low volumes. You'll see a lot of choppy movement in some indicators like the CCI. But coming back up, looks like it's going to break through negative 100. A lot of bottom feeders will use that as a buy point. Full stow trending upward over the last couple weeks. Of course, you want to see it break through 50 to show some strong momentum in the play. Not getting a ton from the tricks. Breaking back down through zero, that's a bearish indication. You don't like to see that. But it is a lagging indicator, so we'll take some time and, of course, some upward movement for this to make a rotation. All you really look for is just trying to make some higher lows, continue an upward trend. RSI's looking pretty solid through here. You can see when they're holding over top of 50, the price per share was moving upward. Kind of neutral at this point. A little bit of a downtrend perhaps, but also an uptrend at the same time. Just holding around 50 shows neutrality. What I really see in this chart is a pretty strong support level there at 12 cents. Of course, it does get a bottom support at 11, but it's held 12 on several occasions, and even when it dipped below, it pulled back up into the close. If this does get some upward pressure to it, there's going to be a little bit of secondary resistance right there at 14 cents. But I'd have my eye on the 16-cent mark as a much stronger resistance. Of course, that's a very nice move, adding 3 cents a share to it. It's about 25% or so. And the next real level of resistance doesn't come in until up here near 18 cents. But more importantly, if it does go up, challenge this, break through 16, at that point it'll be trading over top of the 50-day moving average. Of course, all the short-term moving averages as well. And that can indicate an overall shift in trend in this chart to come out of this downtrend, hold a bottom support level, and then possibly try and trend upward from that point forward. Pretty nice looking bottom play though. Let's keep our eye out for support to hold and for some of these trend lines to hold and see if this chart's indeed going to identify a true bottom and start to move upward from here. As always, merely my interpretation of the GreenLight Resources chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.